Well, without Viola Battery Mayor Stan Wright, the corruption trial involving him, his daughter Mary Cook, and a city grant writer got underway. Now, it all stems from a land deal involving Hurricane Katrina FEMA money. Mary Wright Cook walks away from the federal courthouse in Mobile just hours after opening statements began in her money laundering and conspiracy trial. Prosecutors say Cook and Janie Galbraith, seen here, conspired with each other to cheat the federal government out of thousands of dollars and property. Cook's attorney says his client was just doing what her father, Viola Battery Mayor Stan Wright, told her to do.
All she did is to take the help she needed from her family. She didn't have anything to do with this.
Stan Wright's trial has been postponed. Federal prosecutors allege while the people of Viola Battery were in the midst of Hurricane Katrina devastation, the three defendants managed to line their pockets and make a profit. Here's what federal authorities say happened. They say Stan Wright gave his daughter a piece of land with the purpose of selling it to the city of Viola Battery for $27,000. The city bought the land using federal grant money. Prosecutors say Cook used $25,000 of that money to pay off her debt. Janie Galbraith was the grant writer who secured the federal funding and gave her stamp of approval to city council members that the purchase was in compliance with federal guidelines. Prosecutors say Galbraith knew the rules well enough to bend and break them and then cover it all up. Her attorney says she did nothing wrong.
They can't show that Janie Galbraith benefited a nickel, that any money was misspent, and the federal auditors confirmed that. Nothing was misspent.
Prosecutors say Galbraith kept a file labeled Snake because if auditors ever found the file, it would come back to bite her. Well, federal judge Christy Dubose said the trial is expected to last for 3 weeks, possibly shorter. A date, though, has not been set for Mayor Stan Wright. It's waiting on a ruling on whether retaliation charges can move forward, too.